Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yufli Basyar. You can call me Yufli. I am from 12 Oil and Gas Petrochemical Refinery Engineering C. In here I will presentation on the job training report at Oil and Gas BPSDM Migas Cepu on 2nd June to 30 June 2021. OJT reporting. Company profile of BPSDM Migas Cepu. A. The story. Oil and Gas Human Resources Development Center BPSDM Migas is a central government agency under the Human Resources Development Agency for Energy and Mineral Resources, Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources. In carrying out its duties, BPSDM Migas Cepu is directly responsible to the head of the Education and Training Agency, Energy and Mineral Resources Decree Number 150 of 2001, date March 2, 2001, which has been updated with the regulation of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources Number 13 of 2016, date July 20, 2016, where PPSDM Migas has the task of developing human resources in the oil and gas sector. Cepu is the first oil well drilling center in Indonesia. B. The purpose. BPSDM Migas Cepu is an instance agency under development of human resources, energy and mineral resources with the task of developing human resources in oil and gas. BPSDM Migas Cepu directly responsible from ESDM Minister. BPSDM Migas Cepu has become a certification training center for hundreds of people. In here also accepting student job training in order to help students learn about industrial work. Based on the regulation of the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources Number 13 of 2016 has the following function. A. Preparation of technical policy for the development of human resources in the oil and gas sector. B. Program preparation, performance accountability, and evaluation and management of information on human resources development in the oil and gas sector. C. Preparation of planning and standardization of human resources development in the oil and gas sector. D. Implementation of education and training in the field of oil and gas. C. Company employees. The number of employees is always increasing from year to year. It is because the workshop has progressed or received many orders from consumers from various regions. Until this year, the number of employees or workers reached 12 people. Each employee has expertise in their respective field ranging from grinding, welding, drilling or steel milling, shacking, polishing to turning. Soon they can master or carry out tasks or jobs very well. In the work, all employees are very disciplined, both discipline in working and using time discipline. And employees must help each other in their work. Employee hours start working at 7 a.m. until 17 p.m. 1 hour rest time, namely at lunch time between 12 p.m. until 13 p.m. For CNC operators, divide into two shifts. Morning shift start at 7 a.m. until 16 p.m. For night shift start at 16 p.m. until 1 a.m. With if there are orders for many hours of work, add to 12 hours of work for the morning shift starting at 2 a.m. until 19 p.m. For the night shift start at 19 p.m. until 7 a.m. and on Sunday off. Organizational structure of PPSDM Migas Cepu in 2021. OJT report A. Operating two pumps. Pumps are tools or machines used to mobilize fluid from a low pressure place to a place with higher pressure to overcome this pressure difference. Energy. Energy is a need. The pump for air is usually called a compressor, except for some low pressure applications such as ventilation, heating, and air conditioning. Then all of them become fans or blowers. 2. Material water. 3. Tool and equipment. Centrifugal pumps, reciprocating pumps. 4. Standard operation procedure. A. Centrifugal pump to move liquids from a low place to a higher place or vice versa. The gravitational force that arrests causes the liquid to flow to go somewhere. B. The piston pump works and moves left to right so that it happens the pressure difference and the fluid flow move. 4. The use of pumps according to function are A. Feed pump. This pump serves to pump feed in the form of crude oil from the reservoir in the refinery. B. Reflux pump. This pump function to pump petrol as reflux to the top of the C-1 and C-2 fractionation column. C. Fuel oil pumps pump fuel to the furnace and boiler. D. Protection and distributor pumps pumping protects from one tank to another. 5. The results. The result of the two pumps is to move the fluid from a place of low pressure to a place with a higher pressure to overcome the pressure difference which will require power or energy. Closing. 1. Conclusion. Based on the description of the result of the industrial work practice activities carried out from 2nd June to 30 June 2021 at PPSDM Migas Cepu, we can draw the following conclusion. A. Equipment and instruments used to support temperature control play an important role in maintaining temperature stability at the top of column C2. B. Knowing and understanding the function of instrument equipment in column C2 is very important because it can control column C2 which affect the quality and quality of products from column C2. C. It is necessary to periodically check or calibrate the process to compare whether the process variables on the control system are the same as the process variable in the condition in the field. 2. Suggestion. In this paper, I give a few suggestions which later can be used and as reference material for consideration. A. For PPSDM, which ultimately we as students who have carried out industrial work practice and writing this report would like to convey your hopes to PPSDM Migas Cepu related to industrial work practice activities. 1. There is an increase in training for students who carry out good practice in terms of material and practical tools. B. For school. With all humility, the author, as a student who has carried out the industrial work practice and the author of this report, would like to convey the author his hopes to the vocational school Migas Cepu related to industrial work practice activities, namely 1. It is necessary to prepare materials and basic knowledge in accordance with the process in the company concurred before students carry out internship. 2. School need to increase relation with companies engaged in the oil, gas, and petrochemical field. 3. School help their students more in finding place to practice fact work. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.